Okay, it's shooting. I love it. Okay fellas, let's turn the beast mode on. We have the Dewalt-Nagler DCN890 and just the light flashes and nothing happens. It seems it's not jammed, so I will try to open the end of it to check what can be happening here. Okay, we have a striker. Of course, we have a dust and dirt here. The magazine. This one definitely seen some shots. And okay, here we can see our striker. Can I push it? Yeah, I can push it. The plastic here. We have all the springs, and okay, basically I can see that my striker can move here, but everything other not works. So I will open the housing here. Okay, I have the two screws and they're destroyed. I need to unscrew them somehow. Somehow got to open it and drill the screw out. Of course, was not able to unscrew it. Okay. Now we need to find out why this one is not working. Only the light flashes. Of course, we have a dots here. We have a switch. The terminal. Okay, so the negative goes to the controller, and the positive goes here to the controller. And I can see that this one is well used here. Okay, so I still have some kind of, yeah, we have the microcontroller here. Yeah, I can feel it. Okay. Let's try to put the battery in, and okay, as the LED flashes, we know that the okay, we have a bit. Okay, so I am pressing the microcontroller here with a finger. and the motor starts to spin. That's a good sign for us. Okay, I will spin it now to clean it a little bit. Okay, it seems that we have a really small problem here. This part not touches the microcontroller perfectly. So okay, I will check what can we do here. This part, yeah, just press it by the spring, and yeah, I can see that I'm pressing this one and the microcontroller is not pressed well. Okay. Okay, the tool almost stopped it, and what I have done here to test the tool, I put a spot with a solder iron. I will cover everything, and now it works when I press it, so I will try if it shoots, and if everything is good, I will check for the new plastic from the Dewalt and will replace it. But of course I will know that the problem is in that part. Okay, now it's here, so we need to shoot it. Okay, it's shooting. I love it. So, okay, now we know that the problem is the micro switch leg and the leg that press it. So we can change the both parts. We can, I don't know, make something or something, but easier to change. That part. Now I know that I need that part from the Dewalt. For you, thank you for watching. You will be able to repair it easily. Just press thumbs up if you like my videos, and waiting you in my next video. Bye.